Hello programmers, welcome to my another video of Newcomers training sheet. So today I will solve the Janong problem, which is multiples, and this is the problem. So here it says given two numbers A and B, print multiples if A is a multiple of B or vice versa. It's mean that B is multiple of A. So if this condition is true, print yes. So you print multiple, otherwise print no multiples. Okay, this is a simple condition, and I have to take two values A and B from the user, and the input value is 1 to 10 to the power 6, so I can take integer data type, and this is the output format. Here it says A is said to be multiple of B if B is divisible by A. So basically I have to use this formula. B is divisible by A, and I can easily do it by using modulus operator. So let's do it. Copy the file name. So copy, paste dot cpp. Okay, so include bits slash stdc plus plus dot h using namespace std integer main. Okay, so take the input A and B from the user, then right shift AB. Okay, done. So now write a condition cout if A modulus B equals 0 and it's and or. So if A is multiple of B or vice versa. So or since it says or, so write the or symbol here instead of and. So or B modulus A equals 0. If this condition is true, then print multiples, otherwise print no multiples. Okay, I don't know why it gives me those errors. Type name is not allowed. Mm, let close this VS Code and open it again. Okay, build a file multiples.cpp. Okay, here it gives me a lot of errors. So okay, basically I have to use second bracket, not third bracket actually. Okay, build done without any error. Run it. 9 3, so multiples 6 24, multiples 12 5, no multiples. Perfect, as I expect. So submit this one, multiples.cpp, submit. Okay, it's running. Okay, okay, finally this one is accepted. We'll see you in the next one, which is max and min. Till then, tata, bye bye.